Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a smart sticker protocol to a patient. A protocol, also called a medical guideline, is a set of instructions that describe the process to be followed to investigate a patient's diagnosis. Practitioners are able to set up different stages and trigger specific events that will occur during the course of the treatment plan for a specific condition. Using Smart Sticker is beneficial in ensuring that the patient's treatment is kept on track and managed in the most efficient way. Let us go over how to add a Smart Sticker protocol to a patient. Please note that Smart Sticker protocols need to be set up prior to being assigned to a patient. For more information on how to set up a protocol, please refer to the Smart Sticker Protocol Setup user manual linked in this video's description. In this tutorial video, we will start on the clinical screen of the desired patient. Navigate to the clinical sidebar. For more information regarding the features found on the clinical sidebar, please refer to the clinical screen sidebar overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Smart Sticker button to open the Smart Sticker protocol screen. The user is able to choose the necessary type of protocol by clicking on the Choose Protocol drop-down menu. Then click on the desired option. The Choose State drop-down menu will automatically populate with the previously set up option. Click on the Choose State drop-down menu if the user would like to select any other previously set up state from the list if available. For more information on how to set up states, please refer to the Smart Sticker States user manual linked in this video's description. Once the user has chosen the desired options, click on the Add button. Protocol name is the description of what the protocol is for. The ICD-10 field will give the code for the patient's diagnosis. Current state is the stage that the current protocol is in at any given time within the disease administration process. Click on the Current State drop-down menu to select a different state from the list if additional states are available. The Last State Change column will give the date on when the current state was last changed. Once a patient no longer requires the Smart Sticker, the user is able to finalize the protocol by ticking the Finalize checkbox. An attention pop-up will appear asking the user if they wish to finalize the protocol. Click the OK button to finalize the protocol. If the user does not wish to add a Smart Sticker protocol to a patient, click on the Close button. To save the new Smart Sticker patient protocol, click on the Save button. The Smart Sticker protocol can now be accessed from the clinical and diary sidebars.